Welcome to Cozy Knitting, and in this video you'll see one very easy and beautiful knitting pattern for socks. Only one row in rapport. We need 3 knit and 1 purl. It's very beautiful for babies, ladies and gents socks. Just use it. Subscribe to my channel and see another videos.